What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2011 Ford F-150 FX4 Ecoboost. That's why you gotta say Ecoboost. Look at that lift. Got sexy tires on it. I have to go old man style noises and grunting to be able to go under this. What we did on it, added the DYNOMAX race bullet. It was just way too loud for their liking. There's the DYNOMAX race bullet. I think it's 242222. I think is the number. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe into a 3-inch pipe out the back into a 6-inch tip. To complete the look, here is the part number by Mr. Jarrett. 242222. I was right.
You got it right. So
Hey! There it is, 3-inch. 2.5 in the middle, and then 3-inch DYNOMAX bullet right there, and then got cats and all that good stuff. So, as you guys can see, I had to really squeeze to go under it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Quieter? No, it's quieter. A lot quieter. You can hear the turbo spool. Your sound decibels? 111. Not bad. A lot cleaner. We cleaned up the sound. No more rasp. Ecoboost FX4 DYNOMAX race bullet. Not bad at all. Let you guys hear on the inside.